for anyone that goes through the museum will see robust quality and high value ticket to the guests. It absolutely is. The challenge is that the subject matter is so rich. When we tell the story, when you go through the museum, you get a little bit of an orientation as you're going through the lobby, but you're directed up to the third floor. But we direct people that way because we tell the story in a chronological order. So when you go up to the third floor, it's the start of the 20th century. It's the birth of the mob in America. We're talking about this from a whole variety of perspectives. We talk about individual choices. What was it that caused people to decide to go down a path of lawlessness as opposed to citizenship. We talk about the social condition. This is very much an immigrant story. We don't focus on just one ethnic group over another. By the time you're in the lower floor, which is more contemporary, we're talking about where organized crime persists around the globe. It's really an international story. And throughout the museum, we're toggling between this very kind of national perspective and national themes, and then also the Las Vegas-centric, Las Vegas-specific stories. The exhibit designers really deserve a great deal of credit for creating environments that are thematic. There's exhibits that it engages you in a way in which you're actually doing something, so they're interactive. You wouldn't necessarily think that a history museum could be that way, but why not? Rather than reading about evidence that was presented in a trial, being able to actually listen to wiretaps that were used as evidence in trial. It puts you right there in that moment. It's just so amazing to be able to do that. The museum is very modern in the sense of the multimedia is very well done. The interactives are high tech, but at the same time, it's in the context of this historical building that's very well preserved. And there's also, these wonderful objects that were preserved that kind of link us to these points in time.